Welcome to Beautyistic, where today we're diving into a game changer for your hair care routine. If you've been struggling with dry, brittle hair, or those pesky split ends that just won't seem to heal, then stay tuned because we might have just found the perfect solution. We're talking about the Amika Soulfood Nourishing Mask, a deep conditioning mask designed to restore and hydrate your hair, bringing back that smooth, shiny, and healthy look we all crave. Now, let me be clear right from the start. This isn't some quick fix miracle. It's a product that promises to deeply condition, seal split ends, and improve your hair's shine and elasticity. A big claim, but does it actually live up to it? We're going to find out today, and of course, I'll give you my honest thoughts based on real use, not just product claims. Before we get into it, if you're new here at Beautyistic, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on more honest reviews like this one. Amika Soulfood Nourishing Mask comes in a rich, creamy formula that's cruelty-free and vegetarian. Definitely something I appreciate in a brand. It's specifically designed for normal hair types, so if your hair tends to be on the drier side or you've been dealing with some damage, this could be the hydration boost you've been looking for. With its nourishing ingredients, it targets your hair's health from the inside out, leaving it feeling silky smooth and looking radiant. Now, let's talk about the real-world experience of using this mask. The first thing I noticed when applying it was its texture. It's thick and rich, but doesn't feel too heavy or greasy. It has that luxurious feel that makes you think, this is going to do wonders for my hair. I applied it generously to damp hair, working it through from roots to ends, and then let it sit for the recommended 5 to 10 minutes. When I rinsed it out, I immediately noticed how soft and hydrated my hair felt. It didn't feel weighed down or sticky, like some other deep conditioners I've tried. The shine was definitely more noticeable, and I could feel that elasticity being restored. My hair wasn't as brittle or prone to snapping when I ran my fingers through it. One thing I really appreciate about this mask is how it works even on the days when my hair needs a little extra TLC. Whether I'm dealing with heat styling damage or just dry ends, this mask gets to work restoring moisture without making my hair feel like it's coated in product. But of course, no product is without its flaws. The only downside I noticed was that I did need to use a fair amount of product to really coat my hair, especially if you have longer or thicker hair like mine. It's not a major issue, but if you're using it weekly, the jar might not last as long as you'd hope for the price. Now, value for money. Let's talk about that. This mask is definitely on the higher end of the pricing spectrum, but when you consider how well it performs, especially if your hair is on the dry side or damaged, it might be worth the investment. Amika is known for their high-quality, effective formulations, and the Soulfood Nourishing Mask is no exception. It brings serious nourishment and restores hair health, so if you're willing to spend a little more on something that works, this is a solid choice. If you're on a tighter budget or just looking for something with a similar effect but at a lower price, there are some great alternatives out there. Products like the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask or the Uwai Treatment Mask offer deep conditioning benefits at a more affordable price point. So, to wrap it up, the Amika Soulfood Nourishing Mask is an excellent option for those looking to hydrate, restore, and revitalize their hair. It lives up to its claims in terms of improving shine and elasticity, and it's a great choice for those with normal or slightly damaged hair. The texture is luxurious, and it gives that salon-quality finish we all crave. However, it is on the pricier side, and the jar might not last as long if you have longer hair, so keep that in mind. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts and whether it worked as well for you as it did for me. And as always, thank you for watching. The link to purchase the Amika Soulfood Nourishing Mask is in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out if you're ready to give your hair the nourishment it deserves. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.